What it do, people? In the lab, y'all already know it. Show y'all some updates on Electra, and I'm finna I got the motor sitting in the Mount L, dog. Got some fresh parts in. I'm finna get with him today. Buckle up the bottom half. Just, y'all know how I do it. Somebody pulling up. Yep. We gonna get him going. My mama got her van up here. I gotta put some LED lights under her van. The last one that I put the LEDs under, she had an accident. So, and I put those LEDs under there with the windshield glue because they kept coming down. So, anybody want to know that? What's up, boy?
What's up with you?
Yeah.
You doing your video?
Yeah, you good? You good? But yeah, I put them under there with their windshield glue. That's something that I know that's not gonna come off, and I wasn't expecting her to wreck that van. You know, you don't do stuff thinking like that. I know she like her lights, and put that on there. You ain't got to worry about them coming down. Just, urethane windshield glue. It will hold. Now, on Electra, 415s are in. I have been doing a lot of sealing. Now, my box man might have had another plan or another way to seal this up, but he's out of commission, and I'm figuring this out myself. So before anybody get to come in and blah, 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 y'all already know I'm going to try some stuff myself. I ain't finna wait on nobody. So I got the windshield glue sealed up in all the joints. It might look ugly. I guess it's everywhere, but all the joints are sealed up. I started putting my wood pieces to bolt the box together. I need to get down there. I need to put a little bit more windshield glue in a couple of little spots I see. Seal it up. Got the sides sealed up over here. I got my divider back there. I gotta seal up these corners. And then I can come for the top, which is gonna be easy. Show y'all right quick. Lord. Hold on, y'all. Let me move this out the way. I need to move. I think that screw right there is in the way. I don't even know why I got that right there. What you got going on, brother? You all right? Man, coolin', man. Same old, same old. Just a little,
Make me, edit it, chop him up.
yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I don't really do too much editing.
No.
Nah, I just let it go how it go. Long as ain't nothing, going on, What is that? Oh, man. Hold on, let me pause it. All right. And by the time I seal everything up, it's gonna be the finish. And then we'll see what it do from there. Other than that, I don't know yet. But it's in there. Messing with the door panels. Got this one wired up. Got me some sag on the dash. I'm gonna trim that down some. Got the two. I tried to do the two-tone gray. Still a little dusty in here. Tried to do the two-tone gray to kind of blend with the two colors of gray in the fur. Now up here, I'm trying this blue because from on the picture, the blue pearl that's gonna be in my paint look like it matched this. So I want to blend in a little blue. I want to put some on the door panels too, but I just want to see how they look. But I'm gonna do the 8 6.5 up there. Is 4 on each side. So that'll give me is 4 speakers in each door. That's 8. It'll be 8 6.5. So up here there's 16. And it's 2 tweeters that go with one of those sets. It's a component set, so I got 2 tweeters. So that'll be like 18 speakers in here. I think that ought to sound pretty good. Yeah. Got everything pretty much wired down. All the woofers wired up. I'm finna start running hot wire. And we getting down to it. Man, y'all talk about squat game. Electric done sit down a lot in the back. I might have to do some more trimming. That's cool. I like that stance. Then as far as the alternator bracket, I think I pretty much got that down pat. This one right here is not a 370. It still got the same body as the alternator that I'm gonna go get. That's why that pulley is bigger than this one. But that's the setup. Got my tensioner down here. Serpentine. We gonna see how they work. I ain't gonna say it's perfected right now, but it's on there. And it crank up. Yeah, it's on there.
Mm-hmm. Might have to alter that, huh?
What? The hood?
Yeah.
Yeah, last time I checked it closed, and I done messed with that bracket some more, and I really didn't check it, but it should close. If not, I'm gonna have a problem. But I think it'll be all right though. Other than that, I ain't really did nothing else. I think next time I come on here, we gonna be doing some wiring and get some of these mids and highs playing in here. I got all the hot wire I think I need to run the amps. And I was kind of skeptical about putting the amps on top of that box, but I think I'm gonna put the amps on the board first, and I got some little rubber bushings. I'm gonna try to put these in between the box and the amp rack and see if that'll make sure I minimize the vibration, basically. So I'm finna get my day started, turn some more bolts. I'm finna mess with the L-Dog. Finna holler at my partner back here, Mel. He need me to check some out. And I ain't seen him in a few years, so we finna do some reuniting. You know what I'm saying? Have us a cup of coffee. Y'all know how it go, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, people, I'll be back on here later on. We're gonna do some wiring, try to get some mids and highs playing, and probably do some more gluing and reinforcing on the 415 box in the trunk. So hopefully by the time I get all the highs and stuff playing and get all the amps hooked up, that'll be done dried in the back. So when we do the sound check, we can do the 18s and the 15s, see how they sound. And like I said, y'all already know, if it ain't sounding right, then it's back in the lab. Yes, we're gonna do something different. But it's hot in here. I'm finna turn this loud fan on and holler at my boy, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later.